then I think as soon as I have some gold, I will first, actually I can already start with the next part that is like so I want to build the basic layout of the chain conveyor system. And how should I call basic conveyor setup. Okay. So I will make some stairs that maybe lead up here, and on the basically second floor here I will start the actual base. This is like, here's just the beginner area where maybe this wood farm, but anyway I can just rebuild it. Yeah, but this is just the beginner area here where the basic machines are to prepare for the actual base. So I want to use maybe like stone bricks or for the center. Oh yes, 3 gold dust. Perfect. I don't need this. This I need maybe. This may be... Do I need these? The electric ore factory also need these, okay. These I don't need anymore. This two, this two. No, the fire bricks actually I maybe need to make more blast furnaces. Let's see. Maybe I just let the world run. AFK. Blackstone I have. Large farm. Maybe a second one. Not yet required right now. So I want to... But I think there was like industrial something. I want to use blocks of this. But... Okay, white wool. I need something... Something I have a lot of resources. This is not so difficult to make. Cast iron block. Iron and just some coal. Charcoal basically. But right now that's very expensive because I need that for making steel and the ore factory. So maybe I just go with some basic stuff right now. Wait, there was like some... Is this plate? This one I think is cheap. Yeah. This one I want to use for the main area basically. Where the storage is. Crafting. And then something like diorite for... But I don't know. I don't know. That's the basic setup. zinc nuggets. The chains. Okay, then some stairs basically. I just want to get like up here. I just use some wood. This entire area will be gone in the future, so I don't need to care so much about building. I think this height level difference is fine. I want this to be... oh, okay. Actually, I rather want this to be in one chunk. Like always the conveyor sections, basically. So... I want these. Just go like here. And go here. Then... no. No. And where is the stone? So, yeah, let's say like here. That's the center, basically. I don't care that much about the chunk boundaries. But I want metal girders I want to use. So what I want is that the one is like here. And then the next one is in the next chunk. So here. I can also go this way. Okay. Ah, not enough. Iron. I get no iron. Yeah. Oh. it's time to set up the automatic crushing. Get more gold, maybe also some tin. And more stone, actually. Okay. So then here, basically, is one factory section, I say. And yeah, maybe some crafting, smelting, whatever. And here, this area, I'm gonna start building the main logic area, the factory gauge area, plus a big chest where the main storage is, basically. But the stairs are now in the way. I should connect them to there. Oh, I almost did something stupid. Alright. First, actually. How much steel? Okay, nothing. Then how much water? Nothing. Ah, here. Charcoal? Nothing. This has to be running, of course. And then I can make the wireless terminal. I'm gonna make this solid wall. Okay. Then we need a lot of more iron for making the plating blocks. Nice, some stone, then here iron, magnetite, the rest into the ore factory. 18 gold. That's good. Why did I make so many? Okay. And actually this one should be different. This will get a chain. No more base chain. And shafts. Okay. Then I will, since we don't have the rotational speed controllers yet, I just connect it to there. Gear, cock wheel, not these smaller ones. Okay. As soon as we have the first crafter and yeah, crafter, smelter, and the press set up with factory gauges, I can automate almost everything of the crate mod, and then it's like very convenient, very fast progress speed. Let's see, everything, yeah, works. Can I actually, oh no, I don't have the correct tech wrench. Oh, what is this? What is this? No. And this cobblestone can also be gone. Can I do this? Yep. Make more iron. Alright, then a few of these. Looks a bit much, but that's basically the main. Yeah, they are good, these blocks. Until here, that's a chunk, I think. A bit over, but yeah, it's fine. So, then here is gonna be the big chest. I think I'm going to make a 4x4 copper chest. In my run through to the HVH using these factory gauges and chain conveyors. I also built a 4x4 and it was basically enough because the dusts and ore byproducts are all stored in their separate controllers, drawers, and yeah, that's why this main chest for the components was enough. But there will be so many packages incoming back to the main storage that I needed around 4 to 5 frog ports labeled with the main store basically to receive all the packages, because one frog port could not handle all the packages. So that's why here space is for a few frog ports and chests, and they accept the packages, and then these packages are going to be piped into packages that are connected to interfaces of the main storage. Okay. Alright, then next thing. I need more iron. Again, I think. What's the tree farm doing? Oh, I think they're full of sand. Oh, alright. Yeah, I think enough. We got absolutely enough. Got some iron, but... Oh no, actually we need copper. We need a lot of copper. Which we have here. Maybe I just smelt the copper I get from these. I also need to make way more wrought iron. But first I want to build... First I want to build crafters. Because I need to build one big one to make the crushing wheels. And then I'm gonna break it and then put it up there on the other side to use them for the factory system, for the crafting, automated crafting. I'm still thinking what kind of blocks I'm going to use on the other side. I want to use diorite. Granite I want to use for the ore processing, and diorite for machine area. But I think diorite is like nether quartz. I can just use... No, the pebbles I can get in the large stone barrel. Okay. I think I will just make a large stone barrel then, to get a few pebbles. I don't want to sit here and do this. I will set up stone barrel. Are they compacting? No. I thought they may be compacting drawers that can make these into the blocks already, but no. Then just normal drawers. Get like 2000. So we need 3 of these big large stone barrels. No, actually just 2. 1 for the granite, 1 for the andesite. For the diorite. Andesite is... I'm gonna use this only for the andesite alloys, and that's gonna be enough for a while. Rod... Why? I don't... Ah, okay. 1... and 2. And then... iron. Make some wrought iron. Ah, where's the gravel? Get more iron. Okay, then I'm just gonna put it in here. The large stone barrels need water, alright. Wait, they're gonna use up lava? Oh no. I didn't see that. So I need to make one for making lava, which is using a cobblestone, and the other ones are going to use that to make dripstone. Dripstone also looks good. What is... if I crush... can dripstone be macerated? No, not that. This, for example, can this be macerated? Dripstone dust or something? No. Okay. Yeah, wait, then... Ah, that's super annoying. What kind of blocks? Maybe here something? Ah. Maybe I should use the blackstone. This doesn't look so bad. Polished blackstone. Yeah, I will use the blackstone because I was planning to set up the large stone barrel stuff in the first ore, not ore factory area, but the crushing area with the crushing wheels. So basically a setup where the accumulator pumps water into multiple stone barrels that make cobblestone. These are gonna be transported to 4 lanes of crushing wheels that make dust, gravel, sand, and blackstone. The cobblestone, of course, not to the blackstone, but first to the. There's gonna be this mycelia setup as well, and these are gonna be to the blackstone crusher, and then the leftover cobblestone is pumped into the large stone barrel to make lava, to make obsidian. But maybe I will make then more stone barrels to make also granite pebbles and andesite pebbles too, because I want to have graphic machines in the andesite area, then diorite area, and the crate machines can maybe go to the blackstone area. Why is this not? Why is there? Oh, which water is there? Ah, I yoinked the bucket of lava. Okay. I will check how this looks polished. The brick version. Both look equal. I will go with the bricks. This will be a bit bigger. Cap. I know. How many can I make? It's enough. So first, the smelting area. I want to make it with filters, and because like anyway, even the filter doesn't hold that many items. It is enough for the early game. Once I get the multi-block smelter, this great smelter setup that is not needed anymore. This multi-block smelter has so many parallels. So first thing I do now is this one here. Yeah, okay, finally. Good. Wrought iron. And charcoal. Gonna make it here now. This doesn't really matter. Once I got the real area set up, I can make more than enough. Tunnel I need for the filtering, and the brass funnel I already got, because I want to get stacks of items out of the barrels. And red barrels I need. Okay. Then I need rose quartz again, and I probably have not enough redstone. Yeah. Ah. Can I make a tiny automation for dust, like without crushing wheel? Okay. I can build the steam forge hammer, but no. Yeah. Then I have to get a lot of redstone. Yeah, damn it. Okay. Or should be enough for now. Maybe by running back to the storage. I don't have iron plates? Okay. And this brass funnel. Okay. Then I'm gonna take a bit of that, the shaft, and some belts. And I'm gonna craft filters. Oh, actually, just one is fine. And I'm gonna do ingot here. This is allowed. Lead ingot, yeah. Let's see if that's actually how. That's an allow list. Okay, good. Then charcoal, of course. And 0 charcoal, okay. What else? Stone. Stone. Yeah, okay, that should be enough for now. Ah, I need a bit more blackstone. Okay, the frog port is like maybe here's the packager, there's a frog port on top, and then here's the conveyor belt that goes to we need a bit more because I'm planning to run the encased fan on maximum power. Oh no, we will lose these blocks. I don't have any magnets. Bottom area until I get the jet boots and the magnet. I will still build up the bottom area. So in case stuff gets dropped here, I don't lose it. I also used the wrong ones here as well. Okay. So I'm gonna make this 8 maybe. And here it's gonna turn around. Yeah, it's gonna turn around here, then going back. That's no one more. And going back here. Here's the delivery chest. Okay. That means here will be one. Here another one, and here is basically the smelting area. So we need to filter here. So anything that is not smelted out of here is not allowed to go through. Okay, then here in the end is the fan area, which means I'm gonna use, here is the, no wait, no, here's the lava on top, then here's, yeah, here are some slabs. What slabs should I'm gonna put the granite slabs. Okay. Then I'm just gonna take the pan here from the bottom and the bucket. Ah, we need a gearbox. Okay, and here that. Here the chain drive, shaft, and here is basically create power delivery. And that is done by connecting from here. Because now we can make the rotation a speed controller, so we have these run. We will have like some. Actually, it would be good underneath here. A main power delivery basically for the create stuff. Shaft. How to do this now? Actually, it can be on this height here. I'm gonna use this area here maybe. Or now. Oh, actually, I can deconstruct this so there's more space. Do I need the diorite anyway? I don't think so. No. Then I can already put this under here. And also put it on the ground. No, I will make this correctly. Okay, good. Then some gold. We don't need that wood anymore so much. Ah, brass casings. We don't have any brass. Zinc. And oh, maybe we have some dust. Okay. I will just smelt some of this and then use the mortar. Some copper ingots. I think we need the plates for the precision. Yeah. Nice. I'm going to make 2 of these. How many? Okay, I need maybe more of these. Good. Then this and the copper dust we have already. No way. But anyway, I have this system. Good, good, good. Then another gearbox. Gearbox. Actually, I need 2 more. Because we need to... maybe actually... maybe probably more, but... let's see. And... the cog wheel. Because we need 2 different speeds. One for the actual encased fan. Not this way. Connected. Let's see if the rotation is correct. Yeah, the rotation is correct. Just increase the speed, the RPMs. Maybe 128 is enough. This is super risky. Alright, that's good. Then I want to plug one here, but no, actually this one here is perfect. And then here I need one more gearbox. I hope I still have enough. And the side casings. Hey. Why? I didn't even use the vertical shift. Oh, no, no. Damn it. It's fine. Actually, maybe I don't even need to change the speed of the conveyor. Problem might be now only the rotation. Oh no, we need to change the speed and rotation. That was way too slow. I'm just gonna use this. So, which way? No, now it's the wrong way, but I'm gonna make it a bit faster. Items are not gonna be this much. No, they're not gonna be this much fast melted, but the thing is I want them to go back faster. And another gearbox. Maybe even two. No, okay. And if I put some cobblestone here, for example, this deck should go here. Should wait there until it is becoming stone, because stone is in the filter. Looks slow maybe now, but it's an entire stack. So in the factory gauge I can just request like make like 20 iron from 20 ore, and it is faster than like using the I think almost anything else until the HVH and the multi-smelter. I think the multi-smelter with cupronickel coils maybe still slower than this, I don't know, but like using MV hatches. Okay, dump everything. That is the smelter done. Yeah, this large barrel thing is going to... this is also the spores. This spores also will be done in the grinding area. Grinding wheel area. Next thing, I want to automate this here. That means next to that, another small area. I think I'm just gonna make it this way. And because I want, after that, the crafter should go. Wait, I should put some stone here. I want the crafter to be basically infinitely expandable. Or parallel crafting, basically. For the crafter we need a repacker. So maybe for multiple places items arrived that should be crafted in with the mechanical crafter. And this doesn't work if you don't repack the multiple packages into one package with the recrafter. And then the package from the recrafter goes to a belt and goes into another packager, which is then putting the items in the crafter. And I had only, in my playthrough to the HV8, I only had one crafter, and I had some moments where there were like 20 packages and some backed up in the chest, and they were waiting until the craft was done. So in this time I want to build a bit differently, so I can use these funnels here with round robin to spread basically the crafting into multiple, spread the repackaged packages into multiple crafters basically. But in the beginning just one is enough. Some gold. And okay, I'm gonna make more charcoal. Actually no, now this system is obsolete, basically, because now I can just... The dust I actually need, but oh, there's actually no more coal. But I can just take this wood here. Come up here, dump everything, and everything will be automatically. And 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. This one is done already. Zinc ingots. Oh, zinc ingots are not in here. Look at this amount. And of course, like, because the filter was just deactivated there for a second. But yeah, look at the amount of charcoal. That is definitely fast enough. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is automating the plating. I need one belt. This time the andesite funnels are fine, because anyway the press can only work on one item at a time. And 2 barrels. Basically input output and shaft. Then some chain drives. Okay, I'll just use this. No more andesite casings, then these will be casings. I actually also need more brass to make a speed controller again. I already have. I need more andesite. To make more shafts, to make more cogwheels. I just make more. To make more gearboxes. 3, maybe 4. Then a vertical gearbox. Then what else? Is one of that. Then why is this one not possible? Word? Is that enough? Then we don't have enough nuggets. Okay, good. Ah, and this area, this machine I should also automate. Oh, some blackstone maybe. No, again, I did the same mistake. What am I doing? Alright. Good. Then, again, I don't know, I will use some cobblestone. Or some sand to quickly get rid of it again. Maybe... Yeah. Just one more distant. Here, then this can be very short. Then the center, and the press goes here. And then we just need some power from underneath. And of course, chest here, panels here and here. That's it. Mechanical press done. Now I just need to connect the power. Can't wait to disable nighttime. Which I actually can do now. I think I need to... Do I need to wait until daytime? Maybe. Let's see. Or maybe I need to change this. And then I can use the command. Yeah. But it did not. Now I can also type it myself. Gain rule. Do daylight cycle. Hours. Right? I think that was... No. Now I think it stopped moving. So it's never gonna become daytime. I'm gonna set it to true. Wait until it's... Yeah, now it's moving. I'm gonna wait until it's daytime. And then... Ah, but I think there was also this. And then disable the witness cycle, so it doesn't ring. Okay, this worked now. The cycle is now set to false. I hope that when I restart the game, these failures are saved and I don't need to do this open to LAN and cheat mode enabled and this kind of thing to turn off these weather things. Ah, yeah, it's just doing this here. So power is here. And then put this here and oh no. Oh wait. Anyway, if I need it, I'm gonna connect it again. Okay. Okay, then this, and I'm gonna... It depends on the rotation. This is correct. Then maybe make it a bit faster. Actually, how much is it gonna use if I set it to... If it's like 2000 or 4000, that's too much. 512 is enough. 2000? Okay, I'm gonna... 1000, I'm gonna let it use 1000. That's like 2 water wheels. Let's make some iron plates, for example. And let's see the speed of this. Yeah, enough. Okay, good. Then next thing here, basically, I will just use this here for marking. Basically, this will be the output and input. There will be a frog port into a repackager. This repackager is outputting the packages on here, the repackaged packages, and then here will be maybe some of the pressed tunnels, which means here it's going to the first crafter. I can actually maybe connect this to here. Yeah, maybe here's the belt. Then a funnel. Oh, no, I don't need. Here can be the funnel and packager. That means the crafter is basically starting here. Ah, but going back to the output is a bit difficult. Okay, then the output is not here. It's just the input. Ah, but if I want to expand to here, the output has to be... Okay, I need to move this maybe one more block here. Yeah, that's fine. Alright. But yeah, of course, in the beginning, this one here will be no bed, but yeah, here's the output chest. Then maybe I'll just connect with a pipe to here, and here will be the packager who sends everything back to the main storage. And then in the future, if I need more crafters, I can just like add multiple crafters to here. I'm actually gonna put it here and leave it even. I have built the crafter already. This one. And just leave it like this to show that this area here is reserved for multiple crafters. Okay. Okay, then first I'm going to build the 21 crafters that are going to be required for the stone crushers. Now this is already done. I'm going to need to make more wrought iron. I don't have any right now, so I'm going to do this. Crafter. So 7 of these. I need more brass. Up I have zinc dust. And I just... Okay, I'm gonna create some mortar. Which I can't. Okay. Then 7 crafting tables. More striped logs, which will break my iron axe. Probably. Yeah. Can I make a diamond one? Oh yeah. Okay. Water and zinc. Copper. Enough brass for now. Did I put the brass ingots in here? Anyway. I did not. Bronze I put no brass. Okay. Then did I just make the crafting? No. Yeah, I did. Then I also need the rose quartz again. 5 more. Oh, lucky. But actually, that's fine. Okay. That was something. The crafters. Good. I'm going to place these here for now. Yeah. I hope the rectangle wrench. Yeah, okay. Good. So then I need a few grinding wheels. Crushing wheels. They always give 2, but I need 1 set for blackstone, 1 set for gravel, 2 sets for sand, that makes 4, and then 3 sets for dust, that makes 7. So a lot of andesite. That is not enough. I need this and some stone. Well, first of all, I need to actually connect that. That should be gearbox. Good. And this, and that. Oh no. Huh? I thought I made a mistake. Yeah. So basically 14 I need. Huh? What was that? Eh. Ah, okay. Still a few more. Oh, last one. All right. That's enough. Then I don't need this here anymore. Okay. We actually need more belts. Then some barrels. And now packager. Alright, I need these, and these are made from pulp. And right, water mixing. What was... yeah, how did I do that last time? I think I did supply saplings, that setup, and just produced a drawer full of the pulp. But for now, before I make this setup, I need to do this manually a few times. And we just need like... Oh no, this just makes one, and I need 4 for a packager. Okay. What if... No. Okay, I'm gonna build some curse setup for doing this right now. Anyway, I need these bronze plate, just make all. Maybe 18 is enough. Then I should have some saplings here. I also have enough coal again. Wood, I mean, which is now gonna be charcoal. Wait, why does it not become day anymore? Did it actually disable it? Wait, I'm just gonna use this here. Set time to day. Then I'm gonna make it false. Now it should not move anymore. Yeah, okay. It's actually 4 pulp per bucket. Okay, I thought I needed to put 4 buckets for... Okay, I actually didn't need to do that then. Anyway. Like this I can already make some to have a bigger supply. Wait, this should have water, right? No, why does it not? Because this one is not an infinite water source anymore. Ah, damn it. Oh, I get it, yeah. This crate pump is actually breaking. But it does not matter anymore. Since I have the accumulator here now, and I can just connect the pipes to here. So actually let's just get rid of this. And also this entire setup is not necessary anymore. Okay. Then I just take these and put them here. Anyway, they will be very soon moved up there. Does it work? Yeah. And here I'm just gonna throw in the stack of... Now first this out, then this, and this goes into the mechanical press. I'm already gonna build... Actually, I'm immediately gonna build 2 crafters, because I don't know if this system is gonna work, because I didn't build this last time I tested the display for my last test run. So I already want to know if that actually works. Why? I cannot like... Okay. And you have to, by the way, connect these together. Oh. Like not only this way, that you point them to the output, you also have to do it on the back, but for that you need the create wrench. And that needs gold pipes, and there's not enough. Like here, now you can see this, and you need to do this. So without this, the package I'm gonna put here cannot really put items inside this crafter. You can also see the visual difference between that and that, because it's like now one entity maybe, or I don't know. Basically connected multi-block. What am I doing? That is not correct. Okay. Then I need the packages. Do I don't have any redstone again. Alright. I need to make more. We got the crushing wheels, so soon it's time to build the actual system that does this automatically. Okay. Then I can make 3 and 1 repackage already. Then I should make again rose quartz. Just make 2. So the packager goes inside here. They need to face also inside the crafter. Then andesite funnels. We don't need like stacks of packages entering here. Then I'm gonna build the belt until here, because here's nothing anymore. Here's gonna be a barrel. Then the repackager is taking packages out of the barrel. Barrel. Okay. Then the repackager needs a redstone signal to do the repackaging. And they should be put on the conveyor belt here. With andesite funnel. Okay, good. And then the only thing that's missing are the tunnels. which should be set to round robin. Round robin. Is this one gonna spit out items? I think it will. Actually, I will not do it like this. I will have to build the last one always one over. Probably. Nope. Then this one here is round robin. Okay, and then the rest should just go there. Then connect these together. Share power. Actually, I just gonna put that underneath there. Connection here. This is turning already in the correct direction for the belts. Should I build? I'm gonna transfer the power like this. Okay, then let's see which direction. Probably not the correct one. So I could do this and another gearbox. Good. That is the crafting. Now the return should be pretty simple because I'm just gonna use the item pipes. Did I already make some? No. No press. Oh, here. Okay. And another barrel is then here. No, not there. Here, and from there the crafted items are going to be sent back to the main system. Nope. I have to disconnect these and take out items from the boxes. Okay, I think that's the crafter done, which can now craft multiple items in parallel. Infinitely expandable. Okay. I think that's all for now. I'm gonna end the stream here. And yeah, we did actually quite a lot. Built this starter platform here. The smelter runs pretty good. This one still needs to be tested, but next time I will start building the actual storage and automation area. I will start, of course, automating all these like basic trade components like cogwheels, andesite. We built the tree farm in the beginning. Yeah. Ore factory is done. Blast furnace. Alright. See you next time.